This video will show you how to make a Google Slides presentation. First, you need to open Google in the internet. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. You'll see your name. And then click on the small squares, which are the apps. Google Slides is not here, so click on More, and then click on Even More from Google. Scroll down to Home and Office, and click on Slides. If you have presentations already, you'll see them here. To begin a new presentation, click on the yellow circle with a plus sign in the bottom right. It'll open to a title page, and it will immediately ask you to choose a theme. So you can decide which color you want to use. Choose the color you want, click on it, and click OK. Here's the title slide. It says click to add title, so click, and I'm going to type my title. Here it says click to add subtitle. I'm going to type my name there. Now I need a new slide, so I'm going to go up to the top left to the plus sign and click New Slide, and this gives me a content slide. It says click to add title, so I'm going to click and type the title of this slide. Here it says click to add text, so I'm going to click and type my sentences. Now I need a new slide, so I'm going to go back to the plus sign, click, get a new slide, click, and add the title. And I'm going to click and type my sentences. I'm going to add one more slide, so I'm going to go back and click the plus sign, click to add title, and click and type my sentence. So my presentation is finished. Up here it does not have a title or a name. I can click here to rename, or I can click File and Rename. I'm going to give it the same name that is the title for the presentation and my name, and click OK. And you'll see that the name of the presentation changed. If I want to share this presentation with someone, I'll click File and Share. The person must have a Gmail email address, and I need to type in the Gmail address here. Then I click Send, and it tells me that it's shared with one person. If I want, I can make changes. For example, I can add an image to my presentation. I can find the image in Flickr, or I can search for the image here in Google Slides. I can click here for image, or I can click Insert Image. Wherever you find your image, make sure that you check the license and that it's okay to use the image. I'm going to click Search, and I'm going to type the word that I want an image for. And search. There are several images of veterinarians. I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to click on it and click Select. The image is too big, so I'm going to go up to the corner, click, and drag it to make it smaller, and then I'm going to drag and drop it where I want it on my slide. Now I need to add an attribution so that people know where I found my image. I'm going to use the Open Attribution Builder. My attribution is ready, so I'm going to right-click, copy, go back to my Google Slides. I need to insert a text box, so I'm going to click on text box, and I get a plus sign that I can move with my mouse. I'm going to click and drag and make a box. I'm going to right-click, paste my attribution. My attribution is still big, so I'm going to highlight it and make the font smaller. And then I can make the box smaller. And then I'm going to drag and drop the attribution under the photo. So now I can go back and look at my presentation and see the different slides, and there is my last slide with the image and the attribution. Good luck with your presentation.